it's Becca again, back from a brief hiatus, and today I'm going to answer the question that everyone has been thinking. What the heck is gluten, and why does everyone think they're so allergic to it? So first things first, let's explain what gluten is.
Gluten is a protein that is found in different types of grains, including wheat, spelt, rye, and barley. It is a tough, sticky, and large molecule, and responsible for giving breads their shape.
Okay, so we know that gluten is a large, tough, and sticky molecule. Let's explain why everyone thinks they're allergic to it.
About 1% of the population is known to have celiac disease. This means they are allergic to a tough protein fraction known as gliadin. Gliadin is found in gluten. Consuming gliadin or gluten destroys the surface of their gut wall. This leads to malabsorption of nutrients, chronic diarrhea, neurological problems, and more. Everyone else is not actually allergic to gluten. They're just intolerant of it. People with gluten intolerance have a weak digestive system, and they have trouble breaking down gluten because it is so large and so sticky. This means it sits in their gut, causing inflammation and the growth of unwanted bacteria. Eventually, this weakens their intestinal wall, and the undigested gluten molecules start passing into their bloodstream. Once the gluten gets into their bloodstream, it attracts antibodies. This can lead to histamine release and other reactions like headaches, fatigue, rashes, and more.
So hopefully that clears things up for you and helps you see that the gluten-free trend does actually have some legitimacy behind it. If you're experiencing any of those unwanted symptoms related to celiac disease or gluten intolerance, it may be helpful for you to eliminate from your diet for a while and strengthen your digestive system. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and most importantly, click subscribe. Bye!